So this is Loch Ard Gorge is the next gorge over from there. Don't go too far there, love. That's far enough. That's Loch Ard. That's Muttonbird Island, where the cave is. And down here in front of the cave is you see a rock ledge there, and that's called the Wire Rope. That's a secret fishing spot. The fishermen go down there and throw across the gorge there to that other rock stack there, and they catch a fish called sweep. So we'll come back out of here and we'll go round to Muttonbird Island. But one other thing, now Muttonbird Island with the cave there, the ship Loch Ard hit the cliff there where my finger's pointing, and they say that the mark is still on the cliff. The cliffs are limestone, clay-based lime cliffs, and they say that the mark from the old sailing ship over 100 years ago is still on the cliffs. You can get in a boat down there on a calm day and you can see it. And the Loch Ard, an English sailing ship, got washed into the cliffs here and shipwrecked there. And the survivors, Eva Carmichael and a few others, they swam up into Loch Ard and they went up to a farm up here. Can't remember the name of the farm, Glen something. But anyway, that's a rough history of what happened. We'll go around now to Muttonbird Island. We'll go around the walkway. The viewing platform.
Yeah, the viewing platform, I should say. Oh, have you see that, guys?
There's a little bit of information here on the short-tailed shearwater, the muttonbird.
Yeah. But a safe haven for wildlife. Campbell.
Over on your right, that's Broken Head over there. That headland that you can see in the centre of the screen there is Broken Head. And Port Campbell is off in the distance. You can't really see any sign of it, but that furthest headland is Port Campbell. Now Muttonbird Island here, as you can see, over in the middle of it there's a big hole that goes all the way down to the sea over in the middle. It's like a donut, and as you we'll take a closer look. You see the sea cave there, and that opens to the sky on the inside of the island. And you can take a boat around where the sun's shining there and drive the boat in from out in the sea and go into the middle of the island and come out. You can come out the cave here in a small enough boat. I've seen a boat do that. And the Loch Ard, the sailing ship Loch Ard, hit the island here and sunk. And that's Loch Ard Gorge over there, and that's where the survivors were swept in. And this is that fishing spot right next to it. It's a great place to catch sweep, and you can see the rocks down there now. You can see that rock ledge. But you're not allowed to fish there anymore. Are you looking for the fish, my love? And there's crayfish there too. But there's certain people not allowed to take them. Did you hear me? That's you. That's you. Yeah, don't laugh too much.
I love eating the head.
The head? Oh my God. And the penguin. Sometimes we have a penguin lives in a cave where you can see that cave all the way up there. I'll try to zoom. Will we zoom? No, it doesn't zoom. You can see the cave all the way up in there. You'll have penguin there. There's colonies all along here. Anyway, the sun is going down. Looks beautiful. And on sunset, the shearwater come in. The muttonbird, called the short-tailed shearwater, they come in. Their young are in burrows, like a small rabbit burrow on the top of the island there. And the colony of muttonbirds all fly together in a big flock, and they go out to sea all day, and they feed, and they fill their gullet, and they come in of an evening to roost. They all come in a big flock. They all come in about the same time. So we wait.
That's what we're waiting for.
We wait, and hopefully we have enough light when they arrive. Well, we wait. Oh, that's better with the brightness. We waited and we waited, and I saw one muttonbird so far. That's too bright. Oh. Still ones and twos. Oh, I start to see one or two there now. This is like a live session. Oh, thank you for the 1 million in the house and the 2 million. Okay, they're starting to arrive. Starting to arrive. Ooh. Oh, a few more. Not so many yet. Still just ones and twos. They've been at sea all day, and they've been catching small fish, and they fill their gullet, and the young are in the burrows on the island. these are the early birds. Oh, there's a lot coming in from the east. Oh, it's quite blurry. Try and get a better picture. Yeah, it's been a little bit better there now. It's quite a lot over the east here. Not getting a very good picture. Perhaps it's very blurry. Yes, the light is not good. Let's turn the light. Oh. That's an unnatural light that I've put on there. Still very blurry. Perhaps we need to change. The camera is struggling. Perhaps we need to change the mode. Still lots coming in. There now. Cool. Still quite blurry, unfortunately. Well, I'm not sure that our camera does much justice. We've really run out of light. But you can see what's happening. They're still coming in. And the poor old camera is struggling. There's quite a few in the background, isn't there? Oh, yeah, quite a few. Well, apologies for the poor quality, but the light is just so low. There's still so many coming in, especially across in the east here. There's a lot there. Still so many.